Hello, my name is Tinne. I'm head of design of VectoriaDesigns. Check out the logo on my wall, and we have a bundle for you again. It has been a while since we brought out a new bundle. Now, what is a bundle? A bundle is a bundle. Yeah. And we collected in this bundle a lot of products that work together theme-wise. So there are paper packs, there are some journal pages, but there are also a lot of separate products, like small products like tags and pockets and cards, etc. And they all have the same theme, because the name of this bundle is the Wizard Library Mega Crafting Bundle. So everything wizard and library, and yeah, I just really like Harry Potter's library. And I just wanted to share this love with you, so we made a whole bundle that you can enjoy yourself as well. In this bundle there are 118 sheets, and I didn't print them all for you, but I printed a few because I wanted to share what they look like on paper, and a few of the projects I'm actually going to make so you can see what they look like when they're made, how quickly you can make them. Say you have the crafting jitters, you really want to make something and you only have a few minutes time. Well, these projects are really quickly to make and really fun, and they look really good, if I say so myself. Yeah, let's not brag, Tinne. So let's bring that camera over here and I'm going to show you what I've got. I printed out a few because the whole bundle I think is more than 100 pages. I think it's 118 pages. And I just printed out a few and I'm just going to show them to you. There are 6 paper packs in this whole bundle, and the papers I have here are from, I think all from separate bundles, I'm not sure. So this is from a bundle, very pretty. This is another paper from a bundle. Yeah, I printed this a little bit larger than this one. See, this is so usable in your crafts. You can use tiny parts, you can big parts, you can use the whole thing, you can cut in it. So here we have another one. So the Magic and Sorcery Times Telegraph. It looks like a newspaper, but a very magical newspaper. And this is just a lovely pattern with all sorts of alchemy symbols here. Here's a very sweet colored one with a little scene on the bottom, but also a very usable top part. These are a few examples from the paper packs, and this is a double tag with a pocket. So I'm going to show you actually how to make this quickly. And there are 3 designs actually like this. And here are library cards, so very wizard inspired library cards, and these are 2 pockets, 2 cards. These I'm going to show you as well how to make these. Here's an example of the apothecary labels, so detailed. And then here are a few tickets, very detailed again, very pretty tickets. Here's an envelope, and I printed the back paper on the back, so a few of the products have an actual back paper, so it looks a lot more real. I'm going to show you how to make this one as well. And it has a matching writing paper. And also there are 2 mini journal kits in there, each have like 10 pages or something, and these are each from the separate kit, and this is one of the pages and this is another one of the pages. The actual spine is in the center. Don't worry here because it looks a bit off because of the book spine here, but don't worry, it folds in half. So, and now let me show you how to make a few of these. So this is the envelope, and very easy, just cut it out. And when you've cut it out, just score from corner to corner to corner to corner and back. Obviously, you can do that with an embossing pen or an empty pen and a ruler as well. There. And before I'm going to glue it, I'm going to add a little bit of extra ink on the edges, just to give it a little bit more oomph and to hide. And this is brilliant to hide eventual cutting mistakes. So I've inked all the edges and the folds, and then side in, bottom up, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of glue where I know it's going to be under the flap. Make a mark if necessary. There. And an easy way to close it is with a temporary glue dot. There. Now you can open it and close it as you like. This one is also quite self-explanatory. This is a pocket, these are tags, and they're linked to each other so you can make it a double tag. If you want to cut them in half, brilliant. I cut out these, I left these a bit, and I actually should have left the sides as well, because when you fold it in half and it's not perfect, you can still play a little bit with it. I'm first going to make the tag, and you can obviously just use one. I'm going to score it down the middle, fold in half, make a nice fold. And you can keep it open if you like, if you want to write something in the center. And you can print one of the many other papers in the kit on the back if you don't want the back to be stark white. So I'm just going to cut these now, and I hope, yep, they look really good. This is a little bit over, so I'm just trimming it as well. But I'm gonna leave it like this, and then I'm gonna punch a hole in the center. This. I'm going to also give it a little bit more pizzazz with the ink. Little tiny ribbon through the holes. This, so I can pull it out of the pocket. And now the pocket itself, again, I'm going to score these 3 lines. I'm first going to fold it before I'm going to add more ink. So I can also ink the folds themselves. There, obviously no ink here because you won't see it. Okay, and then just put some glue on the tabs here. And then first bring in the big one, then the small one. Then if you slide a tag in, it would not get trapped in this lower thingy here. Oh, I was too slow. My glue is gone. There. So first the big one, the side one, then the bottom one, and then just simply close. What a beautiful pocket. This is the front. So again, if you don't want this piece to be stark white, the inside of the envelope, just print one of the many neutral papers on the back, or just use some ink there. And the tag fits in there, and it won't get trapped by that bottom tab. It looks like this. Front, back, and your tag, 2 sides where you can write in, and 3 designs in the kit. And the last thing I want to show you is this library cards and pockets. So there are 2 pockets, 2 cards, and 2 return date cards, and an extra little pretty image for you. I'm going to show you one. I'm going to just cut this out. So I cut these out, 1 pocket, 1 card, and 1 return card. As you can see, these are quite small. These are not the same size as an actual library card, but you can definitely use it in your books if you like. Let me show you how to assemble it. So for the pocket, score here, here, and here. And then fold. Fold this up. And these little tabs you can fold actually behind the back. This you will not see. You will paste this in your book. That's the idea. Now, before I'm going to do that, I'm first going to glue the return date card on here. See, it fits right on here. There's a little bit of white behind it, and that's why I'm going to ink the edges as well. I'm also going to ink the edges of this small card. So you can put glue on the front of the tabs and just close it like this. Or you can put glue on the back of the tabs and glue them behind the card. I'm going to do the latter. close it like this. Then I'm gonna put glue on this return date card and glue it on that top part. This, and the library card fits in there snugly, like that. So these are 3 super quick projects that you can make with the contents of this bundle. And of course you can make a million more things. I don't think I'm exaggerating, but maybe I am. I'm not sure. But you can use the rest of the printables to add to your journals, or you can make cards with them, or whatever you would normally use your paper for. Thank you for watching this video and see you next time. Bye bye.